smells like, oh, I don't know, nowadays बदक वाले होठों का ट्रेंड है. I don't know what you guys have brought me into. I was like a complete matte lipstick person, but today you can see me. मैंने एक 3500 का gloss खरीदा है. Like, hey loves, what's up and welcome back. You're watching the Trend Diaries and watching me, Nidhi Jain. So in today's video, I'm back with my Nykaa haul and here to share what all I shopped from the Nykaa sale, which was live just few days back, and they also have another sale starting from I think 23rd of August. So I think this is the perfect time that you can shop if you want to, because I saw some new launches and I was so tempted. I could not resist this time and I spent a lot. Yes, I also picked up some good luxury products. So I have two of the luxury boxes right here from the Nykaa Luxe store and normal boxes as well. So here we go. So here is all that I shopped. So let's get started and quickly dive into what all. So I did see some new launches and some products that I was very tempted to buy, and I also restocked some of my cult favorites as well, because uske bina I cannot do. मेरा गुजारा नहीं हो सकता literally. So starting off with the Luxe packages right here. The very first is my most favorite foundation, which is from Estee Lauder. It is the Double Wear foundation, and this one is in the shade 3W2 Cashew. This is like my exact skin tone shade, and I have like my makeup pouch right here जिसमें मेरे सारे go to makeup products होते हैं हमेशा. And there you go, that is my oldie Estee Lauder foundation. ये वाला जो मैंने लिया था तब 1800 में कुछ ये मिलता था, and now they have increased the price to I think 2250. Yes, so mini ही है. Still this does have foundation in it. I could not empty this guy up, but I would say do not invest into the full size because आप नहीं use कर पाओगे. Just try the mini one, because then you can try out other foundations as well अगर कुछ अच्छा लग जाए तो. And just keep this छोटू for some good occasions, you know. Only तब मैं use करती हूँ because it is expensive. So ये वाला जो है, it also contains SPF 10, and this stuff is just so perfect. It is waterproof, transfer proof, sweat proof, dance proof, everything proof. This does not smudge, this does not pudge, and does not leave your site. It would stay by you always. It would just stay in place just like that. It would just stay in place just like the name they've given. It is just on point, and लगता ही नहीं है that you know कुछ हुआ है आपके मेकअप को. Like I have danced my heart out with this foundation on in the DJ like शादी बारात के समय पर, and this stuff just did not move. So I love this base. Like 100 points to this. I think you should definitely try it. So ये वाला मेरा expire हो गया, though इसमें quantity is still left. I had to pick up a new one because we cannot use expired makeup. ये वाला जो है 36 months तक आप use कर सकते हो, and it comes in the exact same packaging. So there you go, that is the new one, and my oldie right there, 3W2 Cashew is my shade. And this does not oxidize, but the finish is just wow of this foundation. You should definitely try it. I am the shade NC40 in MAC for reference. Like अब अगर आप देखो ये कुछ इस तरीके से दिखता है, but as I just blend it, this just meshes into my skin, and लगता ही नहीं है that I have applied anything. It is not detectable. It just blends into my skin like nobody's business. So I would highly urge you all to try it. If you're a bride to be, then this is the foundation you should opt for. Like मैंने बहुत सारे Lux वाले use किए, but nothing like this. So that was the first item that Nidhi picked, and ये मुझे कितने में पड़ा I'll tell you. I think ये MRP पे ही था. इस पे बस मुझे एक free भी मिला. Yes, ये MRP पर ही मुझे पड़ा है. 2250 में ही मुझे पड़ा. The shade is 3W2 Cashew, and इसके साथ मुझे मिला. I got to choose a freebie with my order, and I chose this perfume spray. ये एक mini perfume है that is of like 2 ml that you could choose, and ये मैंने लिया. छोटू सा perfume है. Smells like ओह नाइस, अच्छा स्मेल है। दूसरा एक ऑप्शन था दैट वाज लाइक क्वाइट फ्लोरल, सो आई पिक्ड दिस वन अप व्हिच इज Sensuous Stars. This is quite manly and not feminine, which is why I liked it, because मुझे बस migraine hit कर जाता है with floral fruity scents. I cannot take it. So that was the freebie that I picked. Coming to the second Lux डब्बा, इसके अंदर is my first ever Charlotte Tilbury का product. Like I owned nothing from them because बहुत ज़्यादा expensive है. एंड बहुत बारी मुझे ऐसा अच्छा तो लगता है, उनका लिपस्टिक अच्छा लगता है, उनका लाइनर अच्छा लगता है, बट देन आई फील इट इज जस्ट वे टू मच टू स्पेंड एंड मैं अवॉइड कर जाती हूँ. बट दिस टाइम आई जस्ट कुड नॉट रेजिस्ट एंड आई फेल फॉर इट. आई रियली लव्ड दिस वन. दिस इज द Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Big Lip Plumpgasm. Like, I don't know what you guys have brought me into. I was like a complete matte lipstick person, but today you can see me. मैंने एक 3500 का ग्लॉस खरीदा है. लाइक मैंने मेरा आई थिंक द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव लिप प्रोडक्ट परचेज किया है, विच इज नॉट अ मैट लिपस्टिक, इट इज अ ग्लॉस एंड आई माई सेल्फ शुक फॉर what I am into right now, but this is how I am. Right now I'm so into glosses which are like thick and make your lips look juicy. Like earlier I used to avoid because मुझे ऐसा लगता था I already have like a lot of surface area on my lips and क्या जरूरत है वैसे और ज्यादा बड़े दिखाने की, बतख जैसे होठ दिखते हैं फिर मेरे. I don't know, nowadays बतख वाले होठों का ट्रेंड है. I don't know whatever the trend is. I am comfortable in my own skin and I feel I like the way this looks. The packaging is so good. It is thick, guys. It is thick, like it is quite chubby and thick. Packaging बड़ा सुंदर है. यहाँ पे कुछ इस तरीके से आपको मिलेगा. You have seen the packaging. क्या ही और बताओ. I just love the matte powder pink packaging and the applicator is also very unique shaped. ऐसा जो इंक पेन के निप्स होते थे ना, कुछ वैसा इसका एप्लीकेटर है. एप्लीकेटर हैज अ यूनिक शेप टू इट एंड इट इज स्लाइटली बेंट एज वेल. इट इज वेरी फजी एंड होल्ड्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. लव द एप्लीकेटर. लाइक लिटरली मेरे होठों से भी बड़ा है एंड it just holds enough product to apply in one go. Let me just show you a swatch of this. That is the shade Pillow Talk in medium. So this particular gloss is available in two variants. One is fair and the other one is medium. मैंने medium वाला लिया है, which just complements my skin like nobody's business. It is so pretty and looks extremely stunning. This shade is gonna go with any and every kind of outfit. Plus the shade would work for even deeper skin tones than mine. I am NC40 for reference and this shade just looks so yum on me. It is like a brown with hints of pink to it. Showstopper shade. I absolutely loved it. This is like again 100 on 100. I loved it. 3450 is the MRP, but मुझे ये discount पे मिला है. I did not pay this much for it. I picked up the shade medium. It is also available in the shade fair, जो more of like pink tone में है. I love the fact that the shade I think would work for medium, dusky, deep skin tones so beautifully. Plus it has a very good hydrating, thick and balmy consistency on the lips. It is not sticky. Also is something that is going to last for a long time. And the thing that it also has a tingling sensation and a cooling feel on the lips is what I like about it. Definitely adds that plumping effect to your lips. You would love it in the first go itself, I'm telling you. I bet you your lips would have never looked so juicy and plump like this ever before. I truly loved it. I know it is extremely expensive, but मुझे ये अच्छे खासे प्राइस पर मिला. Here you can see ये मुझे 2588 रुपीज में कुछ पड़ा था. डिस्काउंट पे मिला, प्लस इस पे कोई कूपन भी था मेरे पास अवेलेबल. एंड Charlotte Tilbury also had like this 10% या 15% कुछ तो चल रहा था. उसके ऊपर I also had a coupon. Overall around 2500 में ये मुझे पड़ा and I loved it. Like I truly loved it. You should definitely try it. If you're looking for that one all-rounder gloss and you're willing to spend this much, then definitely get this one. Now with this gloss, I have paired the Mars lip liner क्योंकि अब उसमें इतना spend किया है तो दूसरी चीजों में क्या ही spend करना. The Mars lip liner is just so good. This one is the shade Cinnamon Roll number 13 and this just goes so well. It is a beautiful brown toned lip liner, perfect for our skin tone. So definitely check this one out. You can see the swatch as well. I would insert the clip. It just looks so perfect. And ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा inexpensive है. ये आपको मिलेगा सिर्फ 69 रुपीज़ में, डिस्काउंट करके और कम में मिलेगा. Plus you can also use my code Nidhi10 on Mars Cosmetics, their own website, to get additional 10% discount. The shade is just so good. You should definitely have it because Wet n Wild Chestnut तो पता नहीं looked हो गया है. So I'm right now into this lip liner from Mars Cosmetics. अच्छा, उसके बाद चीर फाड़ किए हुए इस डब्बे में है my favorite powder. So I'm not a powder person, but लाइक ह्यूमिड सीजन जो है अब चल रहा था रेनी सीजन के दौरान या even during the summer season, my makeup kinda looks too glowy at times, like dewy से ज़्यादा वो greasy mess ना लगे, इसलिए I just like to set it. And उसके लिए I love this powder from NYX. It is the Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. It is the mattifying powder which also has coverage and it just smoothens your skin out. Now this is another repurchase. मैं आपको मेरा पुराना वाला बता दूँ तो भाई इतने बुरे हाल में है, टूट गया है, अंदर का पैन हिट हो चुका था, like वो भी टूट गया है and बहुत बुरे हाल में है honestly. Usually do not hit pan on powders because I do not like to powder my skin a lot. But you can look at the अवस्था of this powder. ये टूट चुका है, इसका ऊपर का lid भी टूट चुका है. It is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder itself. So I picked up a new one because he already hit ban on this, and थोड़ा सा कुछ रह गया था corner पे, वो भी टूट गया and I just cannot travel with it anymore. So I thought to repurchase it. This is the shade Golden, which I think works perfectly for my skin tone. That is how it looks. I know थोड़ा shade देख के ऐसा लगेगा यार काफी light होगा, but honestly it just blends into your skin and इतना smooth कर देता है skin को. I truly love it. Like you can just wear it on itself. थोड़ा सा Halo Glow liquid filter लगा दो ELF वाला and just powder your skin down with this. It will look so smooth, matte and like air brushed. I love the finish of it. हल्का सा coverage भी add करता है and NC40 तक you can use the shade Gold या Golden, whatever it is listed, and this would just work perfectly. So that is the shade 05 and MRP है 850 rupees, plus I got it on a discounted price because कुछ offer चल रहा था at that time NYX पर. MRP पे ही I purchased. कुछ और offer जरूर है इस पे है. I got a freebie with it. So that was the first product which was a repurchase from NYX. उसके बाद दूसरे डब्बे में है और सारे NYX के products. Some new launches from the house of NYX. And NYX honestly, though being a drugstore brand, just kills it with their makeup line. I saw these newly launched on Nykaa, just could not resist but to get it. It is the NYX Shine Loud liquid lipsticks. High shine lip color and gloss. Like these was so viral and ये तो launch हुआ देख इंडिया में. I could not stop. I picked up 3 shades. इसमें कितने shades available है let me tell you. So 9 shades available of which I picked up 3 right here. So basically 999 की ये lipstick है, dual edged lipstick है. On one side you get a matte lip color with this kind of a tear duct shaped applicator which is bent and holds the product, and on the other side you get your clear lip gloss like so. It has a thick brush to it. Now ये जो lip gloss है, this is gonna make your lipstick transfer proof. Like अगर ये जो मैंने gloss लगाया है, if I kiss it you see it transferring, but when you apply the NYX liquid lipstick and उसके ऊपर आप उसका gloss लगाओगे, it does not transfer. So first shade I have over here is known as a Boundary Pusher, and you see that is the shade by itself. It's a beautiful brown color, like a very beautiful brown with hints of mauve in it. And इसे matte होने देंगे, उसके बाद इसके ऊपर मैं आपको इसका gloss लगा के दिखाऊंगी and we'll see if it transfers or not. The second shade I picked up here is Magic Maker, which is something like so. That's the shade Magic Maker. Magic Maker is like a beautiful dusty rose shade, and the last shade I picked up is Global Citizen, which I think I messed up. Just looks like foundation, honestly. यहाँ थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ हो गई. It's a light, cool toned brown shade. I think would be a beautiful nude color up till NC35, but मुझ पे I think ये wash out करेगा या नहीं, we'll swatch and see. But so far these are the shades. इसके ऊपर ना, when you apply the gloss, let's apply the gloss and see. के ऊपर you simply have to apply the gloss like so, so it becomes very glossy. You see how glossy it is. Loved it. उसके बाद let's try to see if it smudges. And there you go, you just have the gloss coming up and not the shade. So the shade is there intact, so the gloss is actually going to make your lipstick transfer proof and glossy shine bhi reh jayega. Let's try it on the lips and see. I'll try the shade जो फाउंडेशन सा लग रहा था, which was a global citizen first. Oh no, looks terrible. Oh no, this shade just looks terrible on my skin tone. Let's try other shade. Let's try Boundary Pusher. That is the shade Boundary Pusher on my skin tone. Looks so beautiful. The only downside is that if you try to purse your lips, it is sticky. It is sticky. So as it is like drying down, it is getting sticky and not just tacky, sticky. Let's try the gloss and see. Like I can feel the I can feel the stretch on my lips. बात करते हुए भी ऐसा लग रहा है फेविकॉल लगा दिया है. Okay, anyways, let's try it with the gloss and see अगर थोड़ा comfort मिलता है या नहीं. Wow, did you just see? Gloss लगाने के पहले तक I could feel a good stretch on my lips as the matte side was drying down. But post applying the gloss, it has become like quite easy and comfortable now on the lips. उतना stretch नहीं feel हो रहा. But did you just notice what I noticed? Why is this shade from NYX feels so similar to the Charlotte Tilbury medium? Just let's swatch this. Like this is the shade and यहाँ पर I swatch the Charlotte Tilbury one. They are very similar, like on the similar tones. Definitely अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे सेव करने हैं and you want to try a good dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury Plumgasm, try out the NYX Shine Loud lipstick in the shade Boundary Pusher, because oh my god, यहाँ पे मैंने 2500 spend किया. This is just for 999 rupees and it does not transfer. You see, सिर्फ gloss आ रहा है and it is still there on my lips intact. Wow, the shine is also there. You can see on my lips. Loved it definitely. I was not enjoying it without gloss, I won't lie, but with the gloss on, bro, this is good. उसके बाद I have two more products from NYX. सबसे पहले is the NYX Brow Glue, which I picked up in the variant transparent. Again, this was a viral product, so I thought why not to just try it and see for myself, and that is how it looks. A very cute packaging. It is gonna style your brow hair and set them into place. It is non-sticky and transparent formula, so it comes with a small spoolie inside to give you that precision. So let's try and see if we get that laminated brow effect, because I look like Shin Chan if I do a lot to my brows. You can see right away this side my hair usually tends to fall down, while on the other side when it is just set, looks so much more groomed, as if I got those laminated brows. भाई दूर से भी देख लो. Wait, what? Bro, this looks so good. And the fact that it is not turning very tacky and heavy sticky on my brows, because I remember the soap brow trend in that अगर मैं व्हाइट वाला सोप यूज करूँ तो मेरे ब्राउ हेयर पे तो डिपॉजिट रह जाता था, रेसिड्यू रह जाता था उसका, while this has no residue whatsoever. Literally laminated my hair down into place and set them, which looks so good. Like this stuff is insanely good. It looks so good. This stuff looks so good. 10 on 10 again. I didn't know I picked up like all of the gems in one go. This is so good, non-sticky and just sets my brow in place. Love the finish of it. इसमें tinted versions भी available है, but I picked up the transparent one and I'm loving it. That was priced at 899 rupees, and I think you should just run and grab this product, especially if you have bushy brows like mine and like nothing works to hold them up. You should try this. Love it. And इसके साथ I got this लाइनर, स्मोक लाइनर फ्रॉम NYX फ्री. ये मेरे पास पहले भी था एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. इट कम्स विद अ ड्यूल एंड, दैट इज द शेड मोका मैट. सो बेसिकली एक तरफ आपको ऐसा छोटा सा टूथब्रश मिलेगा and the other end is your angled liner, so you can use this colored liner and जो brush side है उससे you can just like diffuse it. The brush side honestly is so comfortable to just diffuse it ऐसे. The bristles are very 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 soft. I really like this. I really hope they come up with like good shades in this, and free में black available नहीं था, वरना तो मैं black ले लेती. Anyways, so ये मुझे free मिला मेरे NYX के purchase के साथ. And towards the end I picked up my favorite mascara का backup, and एक नहीं दो. So I picked up the Maybelline Colossal Mascara because this stuff is so good. I would leave shorts wherein I tried this, and close up you can see like मेरे lashes just like my brow hair, they grow downwards, length hair but they grow downwards, and nothing just holds them in place, while this stuff adds a lot of volume and boost to my lashes, and they just look so good. Plus it is also waterproof and बिल्कुल clump नहीं करता. My favorite. So you can see मेरे पास इतने सारे. Time to just discard this now. So मैंने दो उठा लिए. So that was everything that I shopped from Nykaa during their sale. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then hit the like button, like smash kar do, and do not forget to subscribe to the Trend Diaries for more such videos, and in sub products ke links you can find in the description box below. Do check that out, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trolling.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.